Hi, I'm Matt. Today I'm going to be reviewing the sonic screwdriver toy from Doctor Who. If you want a closer look, here's textured finish on here. Very easy to grip. Here are the two buttons to turn it on and off. You can see it. Lights up pretty bright. It can also extend out by the switch right here. And it also uses as a pen. It's pretty easy to grip right here. My version actually came with psychic paper. See? Actually write on here with the UV ink, and then line it up to display the message. What's cool about this is afterwards you can wipe it off with a damp cloth and reuse it over and over. And that's about it. It's the sonic screwdriver from Doctor Who, made by Character Options.